Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Facebook ads automation with Meta AI for audience insights. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook Business Manager account. Navigate to the Ads Manager section. Select the campaign you wish to automate. Click on the Edit button next to the selected campaign. Scroll down to the Budget and Schedule section. Choose your desired budget and schedule for your ads. Next, find the Audience section. Click on Create New Audience to define your target audience. Utilize the audience insights provided by Meta AI to refine your choices. In the Audience Creation window, select demographics such as age, gender, and location. Add interests and behaviors relevant to your campaign objectives. Once your audience is set, proceed to the Ad Set level. Enable the Automatic Placement option for optimal performance. Now, navigate to the Optimization and Delivery section. Set the optimization goal based on your campaign objectives, like conversions or link clicks. Scroll down to find the option for Dynamic Creative. Turn on Dynamic Creative to allow Meta AI to test different variations. Proceed to create your ad by selecting the format of your choice. Upload your visuals and enter your ad copy while ensuring it aligns with your audience. Review your ad configurations to ensure everything is in place. Finally, click on the Publish button to launch your automated campaign. Monitor the performance of your ads in the Ads Manager dashboard regularly. Utilize the insights provided by Meta AI to make necessary adjustments to your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.